same segment as this. That's why you can see that this place, that's QPRO. So our RPO is 50 degrees because it is in the same segment with this. That's the first thing. Then secondly, remember that this place is what? 110. This is 110. If you consider this is a triangle. PRO is a triangle. So since PRO is a triangle, automatically the sum of angles in a triangle is added up to what? 180 degrees. That means what it means is that 50 plus 110 plus y must be equals to 180 degrees because this is a triangle. Then this plus this, that would definitely be 160 plus y equals to 180. Then our y will be equals to 180 minus 160, and that is 20 degrees. So we'll go to our option and pick the option that suits that. And by so doing, we discover that the answer to this very question will definitely be 20 degrees. That is B. Then the next question, that is question 2. This one is also similar to the first question, but in this regard, this one asks us to find TVS. So we are looking for this place, TVS. Now, if you look at TVS, you don't need to do any calculation because you can see that you are seeing something like this in a circle. You have a circle containing this. So if you are having a circle containing this, don't mind my drawing, I'm just trying to illustrate what we have. Then in that situation, we have this one is in the same segment with this. This one is in the same segment with this. And since this place is 80, automatically this place too will be 80. They are in the same segment. So therefore, without much calculation, find TVS. So TVS will definitely be 80 because angle in the same segment are equal. So the answer here is B. The next question. From the diagram above, you can see again, this is also a cyclic quadrilateral. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 edges are touching the circle. From the diagram above, find the value of angle OTQ. OTQ. So we are looking for this angle. Now, there is a particular theorem that states that angle sustains at the center of a circle is twice that which is sustained at any point on the remaining part of the circumference. What am I saying? So if you have a circle like this, where this is the center, and you have this kind of diagram, the theorem is stating that this angle now, this angle is sustained at the center. This angle is twice this. That means if this one is 2x, this one will definitely be what? X. That's what that theorem is saying. That angle in the same angle sustained at the center of the circle is twice that at any point on the remaining part of the circumference. So automatically, if this place is 130, this place should be half of this place. So what it means is that angle OTQ will definitely be equals to angle OPQ divided by 2 according to that theorem. So OPQ is 130. Automatically, it will now be 130 divided by 2. And 130 divided by 2 will give us 65 degrees. That means angle OTQ will be equals to 65 degrees. And you shade D. You can see that question concerning, and this particular question, these 3 questions were set in the same year, that's 2016. You can see that now. Then question 4, that is a bit away from cycle geometry, and this one is talking about polygon. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is given as this. Find the number of sides of the polygon. This one is also very straightforward because, in fact, the one we solved earlier is more or less like this, but in that very one, we we came to a stage where we got something of this. Now, what we are trying to say is that what is the interior angle? Interior angle is n minus 2 into what? 180 degrees. That's the formula. Then the sum of the interior angles has been given. So the formula for calculating the sum of the interior angles is this. So sum of the interior angles, sum of the interior angles, the formula is this. So automatically, then it has been given. So we just equate n minus 2 into 180 equals to 1080. Then in this situation, let's open this up. We are going to have this times this 180n. This times this minus 360 equals to 1080. Then we collect like terms. So we have 180n equals to 1080 plus 360. So 1080 plus 360. 0 plus 0, 0. This one 14, 4, another 1, and this one is 4, 1. So we have 180n equals to 1440 degrees. So in that situation, then we have divide both sides by 180. So we divide this by 180. We also divide this by 180. And that will be 180 can cancel 180. We have n. 0 cancel this. 3 in 18, 6. 3 in 14, 4. 12, remainder 2, 24. 3 in 24, 8. 6 here, 1. 6 here, 8. So we have our n to be equals to 8. That is 8 sides, which is what? Octagon. So let's see the one that correlates with that, and that is option D. Now, question 5. This one has to do with geometry of lines. Now, the question asks us to, in the diagram above, this diagram, L1 is parallel. When you see double line like this, it means parallel. L1 is parallel to L2. Find the value of angle PMT. PMT. So we are talking about 2y plus 10. Now, in this situation, we know that when we have two parallel lines, we are going to check out for 3 sets of angles. That is vertically opposite angles, corresponding angles, and alternate angles. So the question asks us to look for this place, which is 2y plus 10. 2y plus 10 degrees. So we have to look for 2y plus 10 degrees. That means we need to calculate y. So how do we calculate y? Look at this. This place is, since these two lines are parallel, this place is alternate to this. Remember, angle Z. When you have two parallel lines and there is a formation of Z, if this place is A, automatically this place will be A. That means since this place has been given to us to be 62 degrees, automatically this place will also be what? 62 degrees. Remember that this place is what? Y. Everything here is formed on a straight line. This is a straight line. There is 62 on a straight line, 2y plus 10 on a straight line, 2y plus 10 on a straight line, then y on a straight line. So it can be deduced that since this is a straight line, I can say 62 degrees plus 2y plus 10 degrees plus y degrees must be equal to what? 180 degrees, because in our previous lessons, we must have been told that the sum of angles formed on a straight line is 180 degrees. So let me open this. So I have 62 plus 2y plus 10 plus y equals to 180 degrees. Now, y plus y, 3y. 62 plus 10, that's 72 degrees. which is equals to what? 180 degrees. Collect like terms. 3y will now be equals to 180 degrees minus 72 degrees. And 3y will be equals to 180 minus this, that's 108 degrees. So we can divide both sides by 3. Divide this by 3. 3 can cancel this, then y to be equals to y, 3 here 1, 3 in 10, 3 remainder 1, 3 in 18, that's 6, that's 36 degrees. Is our answer 36 degrees? No. The question asks us to look for what? Angle PMT. Angle PMT is equals to 2y plus 10. So what I'm going to, since we have gotten our y, just multiply that y by 2 and add 10 to it. So 2 times 36, that is 72. 72 plus 10, that will definitely give us 82 degrees. So we go to our option and see the one that matches that. And that will definitely, you can see 36 is there, which is a trap, because we have already calculated 36 as our y. But the question asks us to look for 2y plus 10. So automatically the answer will be what? A for the first part. Then question 6. We have a line, we have lines. It's also lines geometry. From the diagram above, what is P? Look at our P. Look at our P. If you look at this very well, this is a straight line. And if you look at this very well, these ones, they are vertically opposite angles. You can even deduce that from what you are seeing here, this